Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to check and replace your trailer truck's air filter. A simple guide. Your trailer truck's air filter is its first line of defense against dirt and debris. Ignoring it can cost you performance and fuel efficiency. A clogged filter strains the engine, reduces power, and even shortens its lifespan. You might notice black smoke, sluggish acceleration, or unusual engine sounds if it's overdue for a change. Regularly checking and replacing the air filter keeps your truck running smoothly and saves you money in the long run. Replacing a dirty filter isn't just maintenance, it's cheap insurance for your engine. If you're seeing dust build up or your truck feels like it's working harder than usual, it's time to take a look. This video walks you through the simple steps to inspect and swap it out, so you can avoid bigger headaches down the road. Why air filter maintenance is crucial for trailer trucks. Your truck's air filter is more than just a dusty cardboard box, it's the gatekeeper for your engine's health. A clean filter ensures smooth airflow, helping your engine breathe easy. Neglect it, and you're inviting trouble. Poor fuel economy, sluggish power, and unnecessary wear. How air filters affect engine performance. Air filters trap dirt before it reaches sensitive engine parts. When clogged, your engine starves for air, forcing it to work harder. Think of it like jogging with a stuffy nose, you'll tire faster, and so will your truck. A dirty filter can rob your rig of up to 10% horsepower. Key signs of a struggling filter. Sluggish acceleration, especially under load. Black smoke from the exhaust, too much fuel, not enough air. Unusual engine noises, like coughing or sputtering. The fuel economy connection. Less air means your truck burns fuel inefficiently. The engine compensates by dumping extra fuel into the combustion chamber, wasting diesel. Inflated fuel costs add up fast, especially for long-haul drivers. A clogged filter could spike consumption by 2-3 mpg. That's money disappearing through your tailpipe. Emission control and long-term damage. A dirty filter doesn't just hurt your wallet, it harms the environment. Poor combustion leads to higher emissions, risking compliance issues. Over time, unfiltered dust grinds down piston rings and cylinders like sandpaper. Replacing an air filter is cheap. Rebuilding an engine isn't. A clean filter gives you better throttle response. Fewer regions, for trucks with DPFs. Lower risk of turbocharger damage. Ignoring it turns a $30 fix into a $3,000 repair. Not much of a choice, is it? How to check your trailer truck's air filter. Checking your trailer truck's air filter takes minutes but saves hours of engine trouble. Whether you're prepping for a long haul or just keeping up with routine maintenance, knowing how to inspect the filter ensures your truck gets the clean air it needs. Here's how to do it right, no guesswork required. Tools and safety precautions. Before popping the hood, grab these essentials. Gloves, keep your hands clean and avoid oil residue. Screwdriver set, some housings use clips or bolts. Flashlight, help spot hidden dirt or housing fasteners. Compressed air, optional, useful for blowing off loose debris. Safety first. Park on level ground and turn off the engine. Let the engine cool if you've been driving. Avoid open flames, fuel vapors linger near the filter. Locating the air filter housing. Most trailer trucks house the air filter in one of two places. Under the hood, look for a large plastic or metal box near the engine. Popular in Freightliner and Volvo models. Side-mounted, some Kenworth and Peterbilt trucks place it along the frame, behind the cab. If you're unsure, Check your owner's manual. Manufacturers sometimes tuck it in less obvious spots. Older models might have a round canister-style housing, while newer trucks often use rectangular designs. Inspecting the air filter for damage and dirt. Once you've got the filter in hand, give it a thorough once-over. Tap it lightly. If a cloud of dust flies out, it's overdue for a change. Hold it up to light. A clean filter lets light pass through evenly. Clogs block it like a closed curtain. Check for tears or cracks. Even tiny splits let dirt sneak past, defeating the filter's purpose. If the pleats look packed with grime or the rubber sealing edges are brittle, swap it out. A good rule. If you question whether it's dirty, it probably is. Steps to replace a trailer truck air filter. Replacing your trailer truck's air filter is a straightforward job if you take your time. Rushing can lead to cracked housings, loose connections, or even engine damage from unfiltered air slipping past. Follow these steps carefully, and your truck will thank you with better performance and smoother runs. Removing the old air filter. First, locate the clips, screws, or clamps holding the filter housing together. Most use simple wing nuts or spring clips, no special tools needed. Here's how to handle it without breaking anything. Loosen fasteners gently. Turn screws counterclockwise, but don't force them. Stuck bolts? A dab of penetrating oil helps. Lift the housing cover slowly. Dirt likes to hide in crevices. Tilt the cover upward to avoid dumping debris into the intake. Pull the old filter straight out. Wriggling it can tear the pleats. If it's stuck, tap the sides of the housing to loosen it. Watch for brittle seals or cracked edges on the old filter. These signal it's been overdue for a while. That's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing your air filter. See you soon. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.